Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening WhatsApp and confirming permissions. This lets the app access images on your Samsung device. Once done, gather your sticker images. Use 512 by 512 pixels and PNG or WebP with transparent backgrounds, because that size preserves quality. Next, organize them in a dedicated folder in Samsung My Files or Gallery so you can find them fast. You do not need extra apps yet. Instead, prepare at least 3 images per sticker pack, since WhatsApp requires a minimum number to create a pack. You now create the pack. If WhatsApp on your Samsung shows an Add Stickers option, use it. Otherwise, install a trusted sticker maker app from the Play Store. Import your prepared images, crop or trim backgrounds as needed, and add labels or emoji so you can find stickers quickly in chats. Export each sticker as WebP or PNG to match WhatsApp requirements. Make sure the pack has a clear name and at least 3 stickers, once exported. Confirm the files are in a folder accessible to WhatsApp. You finish by opening WhatsApp's sticker panel, tapping Add, and selecting your newly created pack to publish. This makes stickers available in chats immediately. If they do not appear, first check storage and media permissions, then verify each file is WebP or PNG and 512 by 512 pixels, because wrong format or size blocks import. If problems persist, recreate the pack correcting those issues, clear WhatsApp cache on your Samsung, and then re-add. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.